Hey guys, Chad here. Today in this video, I'm going to be recapping the last couple of days since I got back on Mounjaro after being off of it for 1 month. So stay tuned right after this intro. It was the 4th when I got back on Mounjaro. Yesterday was my first day after taking my first injection with Mounjaro. Now I got started back on the 15 milligrams. After being off of it for a month, I was on Trulicity. My blood sugars, they absolutely tanked within 1 month. How was my next morning after taking my first injection, getting back on Mounjaro? Well, my blood sugars, the day actually that I took the shot that morning, it was actually at 264, I believe. And so the next morning, which was yesterday, my blood sugars was like 176. However, sometimes it does take some time for the blood sugars to come down. I would say within 1 day, it was trending in the right direction. So with that said, I do know that my appetite was already being curbed immediately. I just barely ate yesterday, and that was a great plus. I was not urinating throughout the night last night, so that was a plus. And so that was my first day, guys. I did great. So I was impressed with it, how fast I bounced back into this. Now today, before I get to today, go ahead and hit the like button and get this video out. I wanted to get out and help people who might be wondering if they get off of Mounjaro and they come back. How long does it take? Now, granted, everybody is different. I'm different than everybody else. If you don't believe me, you can ask my wife. You can ask my kids. No, I'm just kidding, that's a joke. However, for me personally, I did well on it, jumping right back into it like I haven't even been off of it. I would love for you to be a part of my community. If you are on Mounjaro, we have a lot in common. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you are up to date with all these things that I'm putting out. I've got a lot of content I want to share with you and beneficial help that I think will help you out a lot. And if you could, share this video with anybody that you think would benefit from it. All right, guys, today I woke up this morning and my blood sugar was 68, and then it jumped up to about 84. Today, my appetite again was suppressed really well, done really good. I will say that my ankles are still swollen. In fact, I did go to the minor care today when I got off of work because my ankles are so swollen. They're hurting, and I'm not exactly sure if it's diabetes related. To be honest with you, I'm thinking it's maybe one of my medications I've been taking for my neuropathy. So anyways, I'm hoping to see my doctor tomorrow and get something figured out with it because I hate living like this with swollen ankles that hurt. So guys, if you pray, if you believe in Jesus, go ahead and say a prayer for me because I can definitely use your prayers. With that said, guys, 2 thumbs up for me with Mounjaro. As I said before, it is a game changer. My wife seen my blood sugars today and she goes, wow, that really is a game changer. That really is a miracle drug. And so, guys, keep on fighting the fight. Keep on pressing forward with your diabetes and make sure you take advantage of the Mounjaro while you're on it because you don't know what tomorrow holds when it comes to that coupon ending. You don't know if your insurance is going to cover it. And this is a great time to start training yourself on how to eat. Now that your body is suppressing that appetite, it's a good time just changing the way you've done things before, changing your habits, maybe going for a little walk. Maybe you're not the athletic type that likes to go to the gym and work out. However, you can walk a little bit every day because every day matters. You can do a little bit of steps this day, a little bit more steps the next day, and so on, and just kind of push yourself to get farther and farther and get healthier and healthier. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it's helped you kind of shine light a little bit into what would happen possibly if you do get off Mounjaro, and if you get back on Mounjaro, how long does it take? Say you're at 15 like I was, and you're off of it for a month. Do you need to go back down to 2.5, or can you jump right back into the milligram dosage you were at before? So anyways, guys, with that said, I hope you have a great rest of the week. I hope you have a happy Easter. You spend time with your family. God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.